Yo, what's up, Droners? B here with Khalik. He is our editor and our content manager for Droner. He's the man, he's hilarious, and he's also Super Saiyan. And we got Wolfgang. What's up? From Airwolf LA, as you can see up there. The man's killing it, professional drone pilot. And today we're in a mood to play. We're gonna play because we got our hands on the DJI goggles. I doubted them when I first heard about them. I was not impressed with what they showed. I didn't care. But then Kelly at Ready Set Drone, I went down to Texas and filmed with him, and he's like, wait, you haven't worn them yet? And I was like, nah, man, I can't see a reason for them. And I put them on, and I'm not even gonna tell you what happened. I'm gonna let them tell you what happens when they put it on. So let's get into it.
Your mind is gonna be blown.
Go ahead and put them on.
Oh.
You make the size more normal.
Cool, can you see?
Yeah, I can see my pants.
All right, cool. All right, so Wolfgang, you're gonna be his guide. So if you could put your hand on his shoulder for me. We're gonna play a little game. Khalik, I want you to just describe your experience, okay?
Okay, we're on the floor right now. I can almost like see if a bug climbs over a rock.
Oh, that's cool. All right.
All right.
Go. All right, here we go. Tell us what you're seeing.
I can do this all day. I'm just having a nice little pen. It's really
Just start flapping your arms. Just start
really
flapping your
meditative
arms.
right now. Look, there's us.
All right, so that's just fun getting used to it. Now we're gonna have the real fun. Wolfgang, can you point him that way?
Go, bud.
All right. This is where it gets really fun. I learned this from Ready Set Drone. Tate from Ready Set Drone taught me this. It is playing Grand Theft Auto with your own body. Go ahead, Khalik, walk around.
Walk around.
Wolfgang, stay with him so he can describe it.
Oh yeah. How's that feel?
What do you see, Khalik?
I feel like this is so wild. This is
Like,
hilarious.
I am not my body.
And now what we're doing is we're actually having Khalik control the gimbal with his head. So let me get behind you, gimbal. Let me get behind you, Khalik.
He's got this stuff.
Look, you can see. Look. Oh, here. I should record that all
He's freaking out. This is great.
Khalik, come back! Make him come back right now. Am I clear? Come back to us, Khalik!
Okay, good.
All right, you can go ahead and flip it up.
That is bananas, dude.
That is
All right,
not real.
don't talk about what it was like yet. Wolfgang, go ahead and put it on.
All right.
Up next, we have Wolfgang
There we
about
go.
to get his first DJI goggles experience. So, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Just stay put for a minute. Wait,
right.
is head tracking on? Oh, head tracking is still on, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, whatever. I'm just gonna take you for a flight.
Yeah,
Enjoy.
let's go.
Have fun.
Oh, there's another car.
Wolfgang. There's another car. There's another car. I'm gonna track this one. I'm gonna track that one.
Oh, wow.
Wolfgang, describe how it's like. What it's like. It's your 1st time.
I'm in a video game right now, and it's...
Can you
Look
see, like, do you have any reflection errors? Is there any
There's no latency, there's no reflection.
You know what's gonna make it even more fun?
Oh, and I can see the head of it. Okay.
Here, let me see your hands.
Yeah? Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, it just should, I mean, I shouldn't swear, but it just got real. That's a boat, I think, no?
Oh, it's probably a boat.
It's really trippy because you can, with the feature where, I mean, I'm using my neck to control the gimbal, so I really just have to look at something, and I can, if I can like program my neck to be smooth enough, I can get like a cinematic shot just using my neck. Oh my gosh, look at the water. me by here. Where's the battery at?
See, that's a professional drone question right there. Before he just takes it out over the water, he's like, wait, what's my battery?
It's like second nature to me now.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It changes things, doesn't it? Like,
it's a
you can't
whole
look at
nother
drones
world.
the same way after you do this, can you?
Not at all. Wow.
Yeah, this is what happened to me. This is what Kelly from Ready Set Drone gave me this experience when I went to Texas to go film with him. And he was like, yeah, just put the goggles on and let's see what happens. And it's unreal.
Man, I get really bad motion sickness.
Are you getting it right now?
Wait, can I do Dutch?
I think so. I turned that off though. All right, so stop for a second.
All right, I'm stopped.
All right, I'm gonna take the goggles for 1 sec. Hold the
Yeah.
controller. Let me take the goggles. I'm just gonna switch the mode real quick.
Back to on ground.
Explain what you're doing.
All right, so I'm doing what I learned from Tate and Ready Set Drone. I'm setting up Wolfgang to experience what it's like to pretty much be a Grand Theft Auto character. So I'm gonna put the drone in the third-person view and watch him walk around, and it's gonna be hilarious.
Just make sure I don't walk off the cliff.
You'll make sure you don't walk off the cliff.
All right.
Wait for it. Hold on, don't move yet. Don't move yet.
Are you rolling?
I'm
look,
rolling now.
I'm Instagramming.
All right, there you go,
There we
Wolfgang.
go. Wow, this is crazy. Boom.
So what I'm doing here is keeping the drone behind his head. Oh,
Whoa.
my bad. Trying to keep the drone behind his head. For some reason, I thought he was moving faster than he was. He's near a cliff.
Nice.
He's enjoying the shooting.
Oh my gosh.
There's Khalik in the background running around.
This is so crazy. Hey. Oh, what was that?
That was Khalik.
Oh, Khalid,
dropped
that's
your phone.
No, that's the. Oh, it's the battery. Oh wait, where are you? This is.
Can you give me a high five?
Yeah. Elbows. Elbows. Wait, elbows. There we go. Oh my god. Oh wow, this is really interesting right now. Holy. I see Kyle. Wow. Okay. Brandon, this is trippy. All right, I got. Woo!
I'm gonna land it.
I get motion. I just clicked the button on the bottom. What did I just do?
Oh, you're fine, you're fine.
Oh, I get really bad motion sickness.
All right, so gentlemen, what do you think? First time with DJI goggles.
Oh my gosh.
It's so weird. It's out of mind, out of body.
It's like an out-of-body experience.
Yeah.
For real.
It's not really like you have the same control that you've had your whole life.
No, it's like everything just goes. My life is in your hands. That's what it feels
I feel like I did good though, right?
You did good. You
I kept
did
it
really
behind
good.
you guys. But yeah, I personally find the value outside of just really enjoying messing with people, which honestly I'm gonna say it's one of the biggest values of this. But I really see the value in that, there's things like the crystal sky that you can get that are a better monitor that you're looking down and seeing what you're filming. I think this is an alternative to that can work really well for especially really bright sunny situations. To be able to view your screen and be able to be a gimbal operator for something like a Phantom, Inspire, or even just like an Inspire, pretty much. Inspire or Matrice or something like that. Just if you can just have these goggles on and have a controller and be able to operate.
It's great.
Yeah.
Especially like you were saying earlier, just because when it's sunny out, you can see the screen, everything's in detail.
Yeah, and it's each of these screens, it's actually two different screens, two 1080 screens in here.
Oh.
So that's what makes it have such a high level of detail, is that you're actually seeing each eye has its own theater, pretty much. And would you say it felt like that?
Yeah.
I can't help but think of like a virtual reality video game. Like if they start incorporating like zombies in your real body, and like you start seeing zombies come around, and you're just like
when
shooting
you cross
invisible
frame there,
zombies.
it was like Grand Theft Auto all over
Yeah,
again when
it
you were
was-
running in the frame.
Yeah, and that's what's dope about this
I
is
didn't
like,
feel like anything was real. Anything. I was about to go up to some random people and be like, ah.
you're not real, you're
Not
bots.
real, it's all fake.
Well, another cool thing is that this has an HDMI in, so you can actually watch TV or play video games on this.
Wow.
So that's what I'm saying. You see that screen in there, and you're like, let me just sit in my room and watch a movie, or you know. And it has a headphone jack too, so you can put your own headphones in. You put this on, lay on your bed, and you can just go. You can just float away. You know,
it's trippy. It's a trippy experience. For sure.
Touch screen.
You can get on like Google Maps.
Oh yeah, like the like these these are
VR, yeah.
These things are crazy. So. Actually, I'm not sure about that statement, but we'll look into it. Either way, droners, check it out. Make sure that you check out our other videos because we always out here having fun. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to what we do because it's what we do. And as always, stay fly. They was there. They almost did.